It is very important for an electrician to have proper tools in place, and it is also very important for him to know how to use them and take care of them. Welcome to this session on wiring tools. After completing this session, you will be able to identify the wiring tools, use the wiring tools.
Let's take a quick look at these pliers. Pliers are used to cut wires, twist wires, and hold wires in place. There are three types of pliers that are commonly used: combination pliers, cutter pliers, and nose pliers. The first type is combination pliers, also called as joint pliers. They are used to cut and twist wires. The second type is cutter pliers. They are used specifically to cut wires, especially in cases where the combination pliers cannot be used. The third type is nose pliers. They are used to hold wires in place, grip nuts, loosen terminals, and also tighten terminals while fixing a wire. This is the most useful tool for any electrician. It is used to remove insulation coating from wires, like this. So you see, the wire does not get cut in the process while peeling the wires. Screwdriver is another important tool of an electrician. Can you see these screwdriver tips? They come in many different shapes and sizes. They can be fixed to the metal blade and used as per the cuts on the screw heads. Screwdrivers are used to tighten or loosen the screws, or in other words, open screws. Screwdriver is another important tool of an electrician. Can you see these screwdriver tips? They come in many different shapes and sizes. They can be fixed to the metal blade and used as per the cuts on the screw heads. Screwdrivers are used to tighten or loosen the screws, or in other words, open screws. This is like a marker to mark hole to be drilled. You can use it in place of poker to mark the holes. Before drilling, use a center punch to mark the spot to be drilled. Drilling machines are very useful when you need to fix electrical fittings. Using a drilling machine, you can drill holes in all kinds of surfaces like wooden boards, plastic, wall, and metal. These are drill bits which come in small and big sizes and for different surfaces. Look, what are these? These are called Raoul plugs, and they are inserted in the holes drilled, especially on walls, to provide a grip for the screw to hold in the concrete or brick. Okay friends, here is a pipe wrench. It is an adjuster nut which is used to adjust the distance between the two jaws. The pipe wrench is used to open the joints of a carrier pipe. It is also used to fix the joints of a carrier pipe. Here is a saw. It is called the hacksaw. A long blade, very useful tool. It comes in various lengths. This saw is specifically used to cut metal and can also be used to cut plastic and PVC. Now let's take a look at the ball peen hammer, a very useful tool. It is used to hammer nails, hit chisels to cut through wall, and nail beaten to clip wires. This is a pincer. It is also called a crow hammer. It is used to hammer the nails, remove nails, straighten the nails. This is a soldering iron. Friends, it is used to connect wires and weld terminals. Friends, here is a neon tester. Always a ready tool for an electrician. A small tool, but it does a great task of detecting whether the supply is on when you put the end on the terminal. See how the bulb glows. And this means that the supply is on. Friends, this is a test lamp. It has a phase wire and a neutral wire connected to a bulb. This tool is used to check if a part is functioning by doing a continuity test. The bulb glowed, and this means the equipment under check is okay. For a few inspections, the test lamp is connected in series with the equipment using this piece of wire, just like this. Watch how it is connected. Here is a multimeter, a very useful diagnostic tool, and it is used to check supply continuity in the test equipment. This is a digital multimeter, and as the name suggests, it can be set to multi-units for diagnosis. By rotating this dial to the required unit, voltage, resistance, and so on. Now look at this display panel. The reading is shown here. Here, these two wires, called probes, the red is positive and the black is negative, which gets connected to the multimeter slots while in use. These probes are placed to the unit to be tested. Positive to the input or phase terminal of the unit and negative to the output or the neutral terminal of the unit. And now we check the reading on the display to find if this unit under test is okay or faulty. This is a ready tool which an electrician always carries. Yes, the PVC tape or the insulation tape. This tape is used to tape the wire joints so that they are not bare at the joints for safety. It provides insulation over the joints. Friends, measuring tape comes in various lengths, and it is useful for the electrician to measure the distance or the length of the wire to be drawn and cut. Here, now take a quick tour of the tools. So friends, you see that there are so many types of wiring tools used by an electrician. Each tool fulfills a specific purpose.